channel is not static in nature. Okay, it is highly variable. If you want to talk about the time this side, you can understand the channel is not going to show behavior something like this. The wireless channel will be showing something like this. At particular moment of time, the channel is giving you good response. Particular moment of time, it is going to give you the lower response. So it is variable. Okay. Now we talk about coherence bandwidth. See, coherence bandwidth basically is the span of the frequencies over which the channel is going to remain unvariable. Channel is going to show you almost the same gain and linear phase response. Channel can be considered to be static. See, let us say we are going to draw a picture something like this. If this is frequency, okay, and let us say we say that this is behavior of the channel. Behavior in the sense this is the response, or we can say the gain we are going to experience from the channel. If you say over this frequency domain, if this is going to be exhibited by the channel, the gain in this manner, then looking at this we can find some slot. See, let us say we are going to find the slot from here to here. See, the variation is almost minimum, almost nil. Here you find the variation is too much, and in this duration you find the variation is almost nil. Okay. Then from this frequency to this frequency we can say the channel is going to exhibit the static behavior. Channel is not going to vary much. Channel is going to show you the almost same amount of gain. Here the gain is this much, here the gain is this much, here the gain is this much, but over this period you find the channel is going to show you the almost same amount of gain. Okay, and because the phase has to change, but the phase is changing linearly. There is no non-linear phase change. Phase is also going to change gradually as the distance is increasing. Okay, so we need to understand, in order to define the coherence bandwidth, we can say this is the span over the frequencies for which the channel is going to exhibit unvariable behavior. Channel is going to show you the constant gain and linear phase response. This duration of the frequency is known as the coherence bandwidth of the channel. See, some channels will be having wider coherence bandwidth. That means some channel will be so static that over a period of over a span of much longer frequency, see, it is going to exhibit almost the same gain. Okay, and some channel is going to be such kind that over a small frequency interval even, it is going to show you much variations. See, it will be something like this. Something like this. So it simply means that you take any domain of the frequency, you will find it is very small amount. अगर आपको देखना है, see, you can find only during this interval we can consider, or maybe somewhere during this interval we can consider the channel is going to exhibit the same thing. Okay, so you understand this is one example of small coherence bandwidth, and the previous one was an example of the wide coherence bandwidth.